We are doing simulation in two methods. First is live simulation and second is simulation for the old entire assembly line. For example, this is a battery fitment. For example, if you want to do battery fitment, then directly you open your data and just you directly create a simulation and you can validate the process. Yeah, battery fitment is possible or not. And if you are working for a whole line, we are assemble on the chassis line. So different and many kind of process we are using on a same station. For the station 1 we are using your both product, just like City Ride school bus and Star Bus Ultra 46 AC bus. So some process we are using in a Star Bus and some process we are used for the City Ride, and some common process we are using, we are at different location, different stations. So then where we are using a process library. So first we will create a process library. So just you can directly press Ctrl N. Then create here chassis line and insert a sub process in chassis line, that is after the below chassis line it will be station 1 for example, and then it's a parallel station 1 will be station 2, and again crankshaft fitment. And for crankshaft fitment you are using two activity. For example, first is oil plug fitment, okay, and second activity is fastener tightening, okay, and on station assembly fitment. Crankcase, crankshaft we also shifted to station 1, so it is a crankcase assembly fitment. And for crankcase we are using one activity for crankshaft gear fitment. And for station 3 we are using cam assembly. Cam assembly have a cam gear fitment, okay. This is station 1 process, this is station 2 process, and this is the station 3 process. Some process you are using in a different Star Bus Ultra, and this process you are using City Ride School. When you are performing the simulation of the Star Bus simulation, then you will consider this operation and you will ignore this process, okay. We will save this entire process library. Save, this is a act format, your process library saved, okay. Now we will close. Now we insert the process library in the our process. This is a insert active. Save your process library. This is process library. I just open, okay, it's saved in the background of applications. Now when you insert the activity by this toolbar, this is activity, insert activity toolbar, select process, and you can see here your process library is added here. So for example, currently we are working for Star Bus Ultra 46 AC simulation. So we insert chassis line, okay. Then after we will insert station 1, okay. This is station 1, and again station 1 activity is crankshaft fitment, okay. And in crankshaft fitment activity is oil plug fitment, because fastener tightening is for the City Ride school bus, okay. So we are using oil plug fitment. So this is our process. for example, now we will be at station 2. Okay, this is station 2. You can see station 1 and station 2 in parallel. We insert station 2 crankcase assembly fitment, and then again crankshaft gear fitment. Now we will be define a sequence of the process, which process will be done first and then which process will be done after. Okay. So chart command will be DPM assembly process simulation app. Just we switched in assembly simulation app. You can see the workbench icon. This is DPM assembly process simulation workbench. We select process and then select part chart. This is open part chart. When you select part chart, this is your activity start from here and this is stop of your activity. You can expand. This is station 1, station 2, and when you expand here, this is your operations, crankcase fitment, crankshaft fitment, and this is station 2 fitment. This is crankcase assembly fitment. Okay. If you want to perform, for example, your process will be done this sequence station 1, then after the simulation will be done station 2. So we link first, we select start, then after chassis line, and then after stop. Okay, and when we will be sequencing chassis line, this is start and this is stop. So first we will be select insert activity from start to station 1, then after station 2, then stop. Okay, Control S, save, and just close the part chart, and you can see your sequence here. This is the chassis line, then start, station 1, station 2, and here the simulation will be. Then after you want to perform station 1, then we can manipulate by the part chart. Just press chassis line, open the part chart, just I break the link. So I want to perform simulation on station 2 first, then after station 1. So again I will be link start station 2, station 1, then after stop. Okay, switch. You can see station 2 is first, then after station 1. Now will become a simulation